Hey, so this video is for Dave. I wanted to kind of show how I'm setting up Mainstage. I've had it for about, this is Tuesday. I got the computer with Mainstage on it on Sunday. So just to see how to navigate this program, what I've done is general structure is every week I'll create a concert, which is this top level. And then nested inside we have sets, which I'm using one for each song. And then inside each set are patches. Let's just show you my layout here so you can see what I'll be looking at. So I went on to Planning Center and got the chord chart for each song, so I can have those in front of me. And then I also went and grabbed the tempos from online, so I have a visual metronome here. That took a little backdoor work. Some level meters. So these are the two knobs and the two assignable function buttons that are on the Mo-X8 that I'll be mapping once I get into the church this weekend. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to work this, but my intent is to, at least this week, just run the Mo-X8 onboard sounds through the USB driver into the main stage and back out, so that as I have time to engineer some sounds for each song, I can just start to layer on to each of these patches. I also went and grabbed the audio clips from Planning Center so that I could use it as a reference when I'm working on building sounds. So I have the set list for this week in here already. So that's my performance view. This is what will be on the screen when I'm playing, so I can see where a visual split of any kind of splits are going to be of my pads, the status of my mod wheel and pitch bend, and making sure all my pedals come through. This weekend I'll have to map this and see how it all comes out, to see if I can get it to work for this week, but hopefully it works out smoothly like I'm expecting it to. If I head over to layout, so this entire layout, we just start with a black screen, and I can throw on knobs and buttons and map them to physical knobs like these four will be, or to just on-screen buttons or knobs that I can push from here. Once I'm able to do all of this and get everything mapped, and I'll start doing my engineering my own sounds. Hopefully I can get some kind of controller so I can add a few more buttons so I can control the patch changes without having to use the computer keyboard. So that kind of gives you an overview of how I'm planning to use Mainstage this week. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll try to show you whatever else you want to see. All right, I will see you on Friday if I don't hear from you before then. Bye.